Manic Mark coming to you from the Real Fake Underground Artist Bunker System located in the jungles of the Midwest. And what day is it, kids? Today it's bedtime stories with Uncle Grumpy. That's right. Bedtime stories with Uncle Grumpy. And today, children, I would like to read you The Owl and the Pussycat, written in 1871 by Edward Lear. Just relax and lay back and enjoy the soothing story of the Owl and the Pussycat. The Owl and the Pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea-green boat. They took some honey and plenty of money wrapped up in a 5-pound note. The Owl looked up to the stars above and sang to a small guitar, "Oh lovely pussy, oh pussy my love, what a beautiful pussy you are. You are, you are, what a beautiful pussy you are." Okay, stop giggling, this is serious. Pussy said to the Owl, "You elegant fowl, how charmingly sweet you sing. Oh, let us be married, too long we have tarried, but what shall we do for a ring?" They sailed away for a year and a day to the land where the bong tree grows, and there in a wood a piggy wig stood with a ring at the end of his nose, his nose, with a ring at the end of his nose. "Dear pig, are you willing to sell for 1 shilling your ring?" said the piggy. "I will." So they took it away, and they were married next day. By the turkey who lives on the hill, they dined on minced and slices of quince, which they ate with a runcubus. What the hell? Never mind. And hand in hand on the edge of the sand, they danced by the light of the moon. The moon, the moon. They danced by the light of the moon. Now the whole point of this story, besides the, going on and on about pussy, which is a modern reference, and the word I couldn't pronounce at the end, which surprised me, is that it's just like a rhythm. It's a wonderful rhythm. It's got wonderful rhythm. I was going to say rhythmatic. I don't know if that's a word. It's got wonderful rhythm. It's soothing. And I'm not a professional person to read something like this, but it's got sort of a lilting quality to it, and it's soothing. And what I'm trying to say here is that, what would you think if I read this poem like this?
The pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea-green boat. They took some money, plenty of money wrapped up in a 5-pound note. The Owl looked up at the stars above and sang to a small guitar, "Oh lovely pussy, oh pussy my love, what a beautiful pussy you are. You are, you are, what a beautiful pussy you are." Pussy said to the Owl, "You elegant fowl, how charmingly sweet you sing. Oh, let us be married, too long we have tarried, but what shall we do for a ring?" They sailed away for a year and a day to the land of Bong Road. The piggy runs out, and down, dear pig, ah, ah, ah.
Well, that's an example of a concert I went to last night. Lucinda Williams. I love her music dearly. Don't get me wrong, this is not a slam against Lucinda. But I went to a club, a small club, converted movie theater I had never been to before. $30 to get in. And the audio was ear-splittingly loud. Now, there's lots of people who take issue with that. You're old. Yes, I am. I'm old and grumpy. But the sound quality was just awful. So it's like every chord change or note or even stuff that came out of her wonderful mouth just like made my head explode. I couldn't wait to get out of the fucking theater. It was really, really sad because I don't go out much and I was really looking forward to it. And see, the whole point of reading that poem one way and then reading it another is that things just don't have to be loud to be effective. Listen to her music, listen to her voice, it's wonderful. Totally lost. Totally lost. So maybe half of it was her fault, or 33% was like, yeah, I'm a rocker chick and I got to crank this up, you know, to get that tribal juices flowing. Or, you know, and that's, you know, what most people expect. But I wasn't the only one. I made sure I wasn't the only Uncle Grumpy in the crowd. I asked around and I wasn't. And then to top it off, I got a motherfucking parking ticket for $30 because I didn't notice some goddamn sign. So, thank you for joining me in another edition of Uncle Grumpy's Bedtime Stories. Goddamn man, get right a check now. Fucking man. Take another piece of my sliver of my ass.